Hello, Kristan here, and I'm here today to show you how to import a recipe from someone else's Cookidoo created recipes into your own collection. So a friend has given me this recipe and I've got all the ingredients, the preparation steps and so on, but I would like it to turn up in my created recipes area. So these are recipes that I've saved or created, and I'd like it to be here so I can find it again. I could just do cook today if I wanted to give it a try first, for instance, but I wanted, for simplicity, save it to my own. So all that you do is go into the three little dots, and this will work on your mobile device as well, and do add to created recipes. You can change the name, you can add a picture, you can adjust things as you want to. It's all customizable. You can change the devices, for instance. If they've got a different device from you, or that you know that this is going to work on multiple machines, you can edit that. So at this point, you just hit done, and then it's going to be in your created recipes. You can add it to your week if you wish to. For instance, I'm going to add it to my week and put it on Saturday. And then you can use it as you would any other created recipe or in your menu planning and so forth. If you decide that you want to edit something, you can see it now says imported by Kristan, which is me. You can also go back in and edit. So say you take a picture later and you want to add that in. You can do that. You can adjust the ingredients. You can also customize the steps in here if you would like to by adding in, using this little button and this to add ingredients and so on. This adds to the smoothness as far as using your guided cooking. But the reality is it works just fine like this, especially for a pretty simple recipe like this where it's just to add everything in. So you do it at the level that works for you. When you're done, you just hit confirm and it will save the changes that you've done there, and then hit done and you're finished. And that's literally all you've got to do to import somebody else's recipe into your Cookidoo.